Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, high beam assist, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ultra-low emissions vehicle, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Santa Fe. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.